Today's video is all about adding borders in your spreadsheet here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So adding borders to your spreadsheet would definitely help make your data stand out. In this example, I have an invoice or template that I've started with. And if you want to learn how to start with a template, I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So going back to this invoice, I just want to have this part of my data stand out, and I'm going to do that by adding borders to my cells. So I can quickly do that by just again selecting those cells, then go to the border tool at the bottom right corner right here, just tap on it, and here are our options. We have the different type of borders that you can add, the border style and the border color. So I'm going to choose all borders right here. Then for the border style, maybe a thicker line right here. There you have it. Just tap on it, go back, and select the border color. If we tap on this one, you can definitely select a different shade of color. That's totally up to you. I'm just going to select this gray right here. There you have it. And if I go back to our spreadsheet, this is what it's going to look like. There you have it. So we haven't really changed the color a while ago. We do have to go back to selecting the type of border that we want. So again, let's do that. If we were to change the color here, first step would be to select those cells. Go to the border tool right here. If you have a different border style, let's say we want this tiny little dashes right here. Then maybe a different color. There we go, a lighter red one. There we have it. And you'll see it hasn't been applied on our spreadsheet yet because we have to go back to the type of border that we want. So again, go back to all borders. If we tap on this, there you have it. So after we've tapped on all borders, then will it be applied on our data. There you have it. So that's how easy it is to add borders to your cells in your spreadsheet using your Google Sheets app. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.